हेलो एवरीवन, न्यू चैप्टर शुरू करते हैं, कार्डियोलॉजी पार्ट 2। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज स्टिमुलेशन ऑफ बैरोरिसेप्टर लीड्स टू ए इंक्रीज इन बीपी एंड हार्ट रेट, बी डिक्रीज इन बीपी एंड हार्ट रेट, सी इंट्राक्रेनियल टेंशन एंड डी इन डिक्रीज इंट्राक्रेनियल टेंशन. राइट ऑप्शन इज ए, increase in BP and heart rate. Next question is repolarization of ventricular muscle. A occurs last at apex, B begins in septum, C begins in epicardium and D begins in AV node. Right option is begin in septum. Next question is preload of the heart is determined by A end diastolic volume, B injection systolic volume, B C end systolic volume and D systolic vascular resistance. Right option is A and diastolic volume. Next question is A vagal stimulation can cause all except A delayed AV conduction, B increased ventricular contraction, C decreased arterial contraction and D decreased heart rate. Right option is D decreased heart rate. Next question is when pacemaker is in another area of heart is denotes A abnormal conditioning tissue, B abnormal SA node, C abnormal neural controlling system and D none of the above. Right answer is D none of the above. Next question is the basis of Korotkoff sound is due to A AV volume closure, B aortic valve closure, C arterial expansion and D arterial turbulence. The right option is B arterial turbulence. Next question is SA node is located A epicardially, B intramyocardially, C subepicardially and D endocardially. Right option is A epicardially. Next question is fiber of AV junction. A modified muscle fiber, B modified nerve fiber, C highly contractile, D conduct impulse rapidly. Right answer is A modified muscle fiber. Next question is fastest conducting tissue in human heart. A AV node, B SA node, C bundle of His and D Purkinje fibers. Right option is D Purkinje fiber. Next question is first heart sound occurred during the period of A isotonic relaxation, B isovolumetric relaxation, C isovolumetric contraction and D isotonic contraction. Right option is A isotonic relaxation. Next question is coronary blood flow stops during A protodiastole, B end of diastole, C isometric relaxation, D isovolumetric contraction. Right option is D isovolumetric contraction. Next question is baroreceptors mainly act through A sympathetic, B parasympathetic, C cerebral cortex and D blood volume. Right option is A sympathetic. Next question is in athletes bradycardia is because A decrease sympathetic tone, B increase vagal tone, C cardiac output and D decrease venous return. Right option is D decrease venous return. Next question is injection fraction increase with A end systolic volume, B end diastolic volume, C peripheral vascular resistance and D venodilatation. Right option is C peripheral vascular resistance. Next question is all the increase during exercise except A cardiac output, B venous return, C coronary blood flow and D peripheral vascular resistance. Right option is B venous return. Next question is the normal A by G ratio blood is A 4:1, B 2:1, C 1:2 and D 1:3. Right option is A 4:1. Next question is carotid sinus afferents pass through A 9th nerve, B 10th nerve, C 5th nerve and D 7th nerve. Right option is B 10th nerve. Next question is source of energy to the heart is A glucose, B glycogen, C fatty acid and D ketone body. Right option is B ketone body. B glycogen. Next question is QRS complex of ECG tracing indicates A. Arterial depolarization, B. Ventricular depolarization, C. Arterial repolarization, and D. Ventricular repolarization. Right option is B. Ventricular depolarization. Next question is carotid sinus pressure causes A. reflex bradycardia, B. breathing, C. heart rate, and D. BP. Right option is D. BP. Next question is tachycardia is caused by hypoxia due to A. reflexy through peripheral chemoreceptor, B. diffuse vasodilation, C. through central chemoreceptor, and D. secondary after hyperventilation. Right option is D. secondary after hyperventilation. D option है secondary after hyperventilation. Next question is the cardiac output can be determined by all except A. Fick's principle, B. V by Q ratio, C. echocardiology, and D. thermodilution. Next right option is D. thermodilution. Next question is spuriously high BP is seen in A by E, A. auscultatory gap, B. small cuff, C. thick calcified vessels, and D. obesity. Right option is A. auscultatory gap. Auscultatory gap is right option. Next question is central cyanosis is seen if A. methemoglobin 0.5 gram per dl, B. O2 saturation more than 85%, C. O2 saturation more than 95%, and D. HB 4 gram %. Right option is A. methemoglobin 0.5 gram per dl. Next question is blood buffers are A. bicarbonate, B. plasma proteins, C. hemoglobin, and D. all of above. Right option is D. all of the above. Next question is syphilis affects most commonly A. proximal aorta, B. ascending aorta, C. descending aorta, and D. abdominal aorta. Right option is B. ascending aorta. Next question is tree bark like calcification in chest X-ray is seen in A. syphilitic aneurysm, B. aortoarteritis, and C. neurofibromatosis, and D. atherosclerosis. Right option is A. syphilitic aneurysm. Next question is the commonest type of pericarditis is in acute rheumatic fever is A. serous, B. fibrinous, C. serofibrinous, and D. purulent. Right option is C. serofibrinous. Next question is heart failure cells are seen in A. brain, B. kidney, C. heart, and D. lungs. Right option is C. heart. Next question is characteristic of acute rheumatic fever A. endocarditis, B. myocarditis, C. pericarditis, and D. pancarditis. Right option is B. myocarditis. Next question is predominant cell after 72 hours of myocardial infarction A. neutrophils, B. lymphocytes, C. macrophages, and D. mast cell. Right option is D. mast cell. Next question is MC Calamus patches is seen in A. rheumatic arthritis, B. SLE, C. rheumatic fever, and D. polyarthritis nodosa. Right option is A. rheumatic arthritis. Next question is the most common tumor of heart is A. rhabdomyoma, B. myxoma, B. C. lipoma, and D. angioma. Right option is A. rhabdomyoma. Next question is Ershoff cell are A. fibroblasts, B. monocytes, C. neutrophil, and D. lymphocytes. Right option is A. fibroblasts. Next question is MC Calamus patches is seen in A. right atrium, B. left atrium, C. left ventricular, and D. right ventricle. Right option is A. right atrium. Next question is, commonest complication of infective endocarditis is A. thromboembolism, B. mycotic aneurysm, C. fibrinous pericarditis, and D. myocardial abscesses. Right option is D. myocardial abscesses. Next question is, most common cause of aortic aneurysm: A. syphilis, B. atherosclerosis, C. aortoarthritis, and D. congenital. Right option is B. atherosclerosis. Next question is, cells seen in section of heart suffered from MI after 48 hours. Right options are A. fibroblast, B. macrophage, C. polymorph, and D. lymphocytes. Right option is D. lymphocyte. Next question is, hyaline arteriosclerosis is characteristic of A. Buerger's disease, B. benign hypertension, C. syphilis, and D. malignant hypertension. Right option is A. Buerger's disease. Next question is, the most common site of myocardial infarction is A. anterior lateral, B. intraventricular septum, C. posterior wall, and D. inferior wall. Right option is B. interventricular septum. Next question is, the pathological changes in malignant hypertension is A. hyperplastic arteriosclerosis, B. cystic medial necrosis, C. benign nephrosclerosis, and D. hyaline arteriosclerosis. Right option is A. hyperplastic arteriosclerosis. Next question is, diagnostic feature of in rheumatic heart disease is A. Eschers nodules, B. McCollum patches, C. bread and butter pericarditis, and D. shaggy vegetation. Right option is C. Right option is A. Eschers nodule. Next question is, in shock characteristic feature is A. cardiac failure, B. poor perfusion of tissues, C. cyanosis, and D. edema. Right option is C. cyanosis. Next question is, concentric hypertrophy of left ventricle is seen in A. congenital bicuspid aortic valve, B. MS, C. AR, and D. HOCM. Right option is C. AR. Next question is, firm vertivegetations along the line of closure of valve is due to A. rheumatic heart disease, B. Lehmann-Sachs endocarditis, and C. NBTE, and D. infective endocarditis. Right option is B. Lehmann-Sachs endocarditis. Next question is, A. myocardial infarct showing early granulation tissue has most likely occurred A. less than 1 hour, B. within 24 hours, C. within 1 week, and D. within 1 month. Right option is B. within 1 month. Next question is, Roth spot are seen in A. pharynx, B. heart, C. fundus, and D. palm. Right option is B. heart. Next question is, third heart sound occurred when heart is A. always pathological, B. indicative of aortic stenosis, C. suggestive of poor left ventricle function, D. suggestive of mitral stenosis. Right option is A. always pathological. Next question is, the most common type of ASD is A. ostium primum, B. ostium secundum, C. sinus venosus type, and D. endocardial cushion defect. Right option is D. endocardial cushion defect. Next question is, S4 is caused by A. atrial contraction, B. papillary muscle action, C. mitral valve ballooning, and D. turbulent blood flow. Right option is A. arterial contraction. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe.